Come on in, Josh.
That's a good job. Thank
You keep your shoes on. Come on in.
Okay?
Yes, it is cured. Yeah. Check it out.
This looks brand new. Oh my gosh.
Come on.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, sir.
Good grief.
Like a totally different floor, don't it?
I think you're a magician. This looks amazing.
Thank you. Thank you for trusting me, man.
I can't even tell.
You can't even tell.
I can.
Look at this. Look, all by the back door. All over here.
This looks fantastic.
Thank you.
It looks like you just put brand new floor.
I'll let you say that, but to me, I would say it's about 90% better. So question, I remember your wife said y'all had got a quote to replace the floors.
Yes, we did.
How much was it?
Like 10,000.
10,000.
Yeah,
Wow.
Check it.
Wow.
That was it was probably going to be a little bit more than that because they actually had to take up.
Yeah, the quarter round. Yep.
Yeah. So,
Man, well, thank you, man. Glad
this looks
to.
great.
Thank you.
Fantastic. This looks. I wasn't expecting it to look this good, really.
I'm gonna be honest with you. Even though I've been doing this for over a decade,
Yeah.
sometimes I surprise myself.
Oh God.
Yeah,
Well,
sometimes I surprise myself.
I'm glad you surprised me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this looks awesome.
Well, thank you, man. Awesome.
Yeah, it looks like a brand new. I mean, I can't remember what it looked like when we first
Yeah.
came here, but.
So I got the.
Like this.
Yes, sir. And then your countertops.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Look at that reflection.
Yeah, that looks fantastic.
Thank you. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, this looks great.
Thank you, man. Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Saturday. Today is September the 13th. We are out here in beautiful Chattanooga, Tennessee. I come out here, I say at least a good 4-6 times a year. People find me from YouTube, Google searches. If you do like hardwood floor refinishing, Chattanooga, I have videos that pop up from areas, from homes I've done in this area. So this is a new client. This is Tara and Josh. They reached out to me maybe a month ago, and they have some engineered floors. And I forgot, I think she said she was quoted like 25-30 grand to replace these engineered floors. And they watched my videos and they said, Courtney, we're gonna get it done. So they end up setting up their appointment, and what we're going to be doing here, and also because of my videos, they also added the countertops and also the bathroom vanities. So we're going to be doing a screen recoat with major color correction, satin finish with UV curing. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so as you can see, we are in Chattanooga. Look at those houses up there on the hill, man. So we're in beautiful Chattanooga, Tennessee. Nice neighborhood. Kind of remind me of some of the neighborhoods I work in, like in the Beaufort, Brazelton, Houston area. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, is, and it wasn't a bad ride. Now, there was an accident on 75, so it was like a 2.5-hour drive. Let me show you what we're going to be doing. Josh, and again, guys, I never came out to do an in-home consultation. This is why I give people the option to send pictures, and anytime I go out of state, that's the only way. So it was 854 square feet, screen recoat, UV cure, color correction, $450 a square foot, and then also so T, we got this one, granite. We're gonna do this bathroom vanity. These are the engineered floors, guys. Let's come on up in here, and you can start seeing all that missing color. Okay, through here, here, all through here, all through here. So they're gonna take off. Gave me the key to the house, all through here by the back door. All that missing color, and all through here. And what we're gonna do once we get the finish down, we're gonna go have lunch, and then this bathroom right here. Gonna be this countertop. So Tara didn't even know I did the countertop since she continued to watch my videos. So she texted me back and said, Courtney, how much did you charge us to do the countertops as well? This one, this is all granite, and this and this. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna go ahead and get started and make these floors look amazing so they don't have to replace. All right, guys, stay tuned.
shine. One day service done right on time. Client hit me up from Google search. Saw my video, knew who to trust. Countertops glowing, floors brand new. That's what the Truman crew came to do. I'm Truman up in Chattanooga, bringing that finish, bringing that cure. Now UV lights, yeah, locking it tight. Floors and counters looking brand new tonight. From Google to the home, make it shine like stone. Chattanooga, stand up, your floor's just leveled up. Yeah, Truman in the city, making dreams come true. Engineered floors, countertops too. From the search to the service, they already knew. When you need restoration, we the crew. I'm Truman up in Chattanooga, bringing that finish, bringing that cure. Now UV lights, yeah, locking it tight. Floors and counters looking brand new tonight.
Look at that. Now we also had to do some hand color correction because sometimes it's really hard to get the color into these engineered floors. But guys, this is beautiful. That's a wet area right there. Gotta be clean. This is magnificent. All up and through here. All up through here. Oh my goodness. All up through here. They are gonna love this. Also the countertops. I want to get the countertops one more pop. Before while we're UV curing, all up in here. All right, guys, we're about to get the rag coat down, and then we're gonna go grab us some lunch, and then come back, call my clients while we're UV curing. So by the time we get through with the UV curing, then they'll be heading back so they can see their beautiful restored engineered floors that they did not have to replace. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Shine it up, bring it back, floors don't lie. One day service, watch that beauty amplify. Scratches fading, colors glow. Buff it smooth, let the natural grain show. Screen and recoat, protect that floor. Looks brand new, but it costs much less than before. Clean it, buff it, make it shine. Your home feels fresh, your floors look fine. No need to tear it out, don't pay that price. Flow care, done smart, done right, done nice. Dull to dazzling in just one day. Strong protection keeps the wear away. From living rooms to halls, we restore with pride. Beauty and value you can't hide. Clean it, buff it, make it shine. Screen and recoat one step at a time. Floors that last, floors you'll adore. Bring the shine back, love your floors once more.
That is gonna do it. Floors came out amazing. Major color correction. Looks so much better. So Josh, the husband, the mister of the house, he's on the way back. And then we're gonna head back to Georgia, guys. T's gonna go to a fight party tonight, and I'm just gonna go home and chill and chill out for tomorrow. We have a full schedule next week. I had 2 in-home consultations that I did earlier this week that came through today since we've been here. One booked for the first week of October, and the other one booked for the 24th of this month, which is on a Wednesday. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And also, don't forget the countertops. Also knocked out the countertops. All right, guys. See you in the next one.